bring the bike in. Dun, dun, dun. Merry Christmas, Brody. Here's your new bike. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Can you ride it?
No.
What's wrong with it?
It doesn't work.
What do we need to do to it? What does it need to be fixed?
Oh, mine was the new tires.
Needs new tires?
That's just new tires in the cabinet.
Okay, well let me show you that. All right, so Brody, you got a bike, but it needs a little TLC. So
We need to fix it.
it's kind of like a Lego kit.
We need to put new tires on.
There's new tires.
Guys, take the tires off.
And here's some more parts. See if these parts will work for it. See what all we got.
We got paint.
You said you wanted a red bike, so I got red paint. You want to paint it red? And what's in there, Brody?
I want to help you paint it.
That is a speedometer, Brody, so you know how fast you're going. You want to paint it red like the boat? Yeah. Brandi thinks there might be a treat in there. What else? What else is in the box, Brody? Let's finish looking through there. Those are tubes for the tires, so they'll hold air. Okay, what else we got?
Daddy, I want to open this.
A chain, yeah, because your chain's all rusty.
No, Bucky.
And
Tires.
yeah, stickers. Those will make it go fast.
Wait.
Okay. What's that? An air filter? I don't think that's supposed to be in there.
Why'd you put
Oh, oops.
that there?
I don't know where that goes. And what's that?
Daddy,
Grips. Okay. All right, the first thing we got to do is tear the bike all apart and clean it so we can paint it. All right. All right, you got your tools? Go at it. Go for it, Banks. All right, he's taking the axle loose. So, Brody, this bike used to be my bike.
Yeah.
And before it was my bike, it was Aunt Lydia's. And before it was hers, it was our cousin Nikki's. You're like the fourth person that's gonna have ridden this bike. We're gonna do a restoration. That's far enough, Brody. It'll come off. Okay. So Brody was just looking at the new tires. What was your question, Brody?
Is your bike going to go fast as that?
Yeah, that's a cheetah. That's what these are. These are cheetah tires.
No, they're not. Hey, there's another tag.
Is it a cheetah tire? Or is it like a snail tire?
It's another cheetah tire.
What if your front tire is a snail tire and your back tire is a cheetah tire?
No, I don't know.
You'd be doing burnouts. So a little backstory on this bike. You can kind of see it here. When it was my cousin and sister's bike, it was pink and white. And then when I got it as a hand-me-down, it was it needed to be blue. A little boy needed a blue bike, so I thought. And now it's just been sitting in the barn for 20 years, and I found it the other day, and I said, hey, Brody, why don't we make this your bike? He's needing a bigger one, so he picked red, and we bought some cool white wall tires because it's got the retro banana seat.
We got fire.
Okay, see if you can pull that tire off there, Brody. You get it? Here, Banks. I'll help Brody. You film us. Can you film us? You don't put your fingers over the camera. There you go. There you go. This is a 3-year-old making a YouTube video. Okay. Pull it like this.
So Daddy and Brody gets being new. Here.
You getting this, Banks? You see the tire?
Woo. Hey, let's see if I can make a basket.
What's he gonna do with it? Hole in one. Show him what he did, Banks.
He didn't.
Brody threw it in the trash. Yep, always clean up your workspace. The most important part of a paint job is the prep. So I gave them each a piece of sandpaper. Said, have at it. How's it going, boys?
Good.
Is this still a fun project?
Yeah. It's all the glue.
Yeah, get all the rust off of it so we can paint it good. Can you see me?
Yeah.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
All right, so I've got the wheels here. We're gonna clean them up on the wire wheel. This takes the paint and the rust right off. You just need to always make sure you wear your safety glasses. We're gonna knock this old paint off here. Look at that. It was chrome underneath. I think we're gonna paint them black though. They're so rusty. How's sanding going, Brody?
Good.
Good. Be honest, do you like sanding or not?
No.
This is not the fun part. But if you want it to look good, you gotta prep it properly.
Why?
Because the paint won't stick. If there's loose paint or a bunch of rust, you just scuff it up. What do you think, Banks? How's it going? What are you ready to do?
He's ready to paint.
He's ready to jump right into it.
Yeah, it is.
We're gonna keep at it. So sanding wasn't a lot of fun. We've decided to jump to power tools. We're wire wheeling the paint off this thing. And Brody has uncovered the sticker. Brody, let's see what that sticker says. The original sticker on the
Lightning.
pink lightning.
How
We're gonna make it red lightning.
about red and black lightning?
There you go. Okay, Brody's been hard at work prepping this thing for paint. And we set up a little area here to paint it. All right, here he goes. He's starting with black and he's doing the pedals. All right, he got that one. All right, he's on to doing the wheels. He's trying not to have a run. We're seeing how this is going here. Yeah, he's getting the hang of it now. Okay, he's doing some red. Ooh, look at that.
Bright red.
That is bright red, dude. Keep it moving so you don't get a run. And don't do the black. There you go. Whoa, look at that. We decided this is such bright red, everybody really ought to be able to see him coming. There he is. He decided to get on his roller skates since he just finished painting. We did the seat and handlebars, the pedals black, and he realized that his bike now matches the rollerblades he got for Christmas. He's pretty excited about that. Red and black. It's the next day. Check it out. Is the paint dry, Brody?
Yeah.
I hope so. I moved it over here to this blanket so we'd have a nice little spot to work.
Hi, Star.
Somebody's coming to help. All right, what's the first thing we should do, Brody? Okay.
Put on the tires.
Put the tires on? All right, let's do that. All right, so we're gonna start putting the, excuse me.
It's good.
Okay, we're gonna start putting the tires on the wheels here. We're gonna put this electrical tape on the wheel where the spokes poke through. Oh, do you need something? And that'll protect the tube from the little pokies on the spokes. We're gonna do that. We have too much help. Oh my goodness. Brandi, you wanna be on YouTube? Man. Okay, let's get to work. Okay, we're putting the electrical tape on. Protecting the spokes. Oh, here comes our help. Oh, jeez. Back it up, Brandon. All right, stretch it tight. There you go. Okay, time to put your white wall tires on. Can you wrestle it on there?
No.
I'll help you. Okay, tuck the tube up inside the tire like that all the way around. This piece here, the tube. Okay, Brody. See the tube down in there?
Yeah.
All the way around, it's not wrinkled. Okay, now you're ready to put the tire on the other side of the rim. So push it like this. Okay, let me push it. Okay, we've got them mounted up, and Brody's ready to put some air in them.
Yeah.
So what we're gonna do, here, put your little chuck on here for just a quick second. You wanna put just a puff of air in. I'll help you. Okay, ready, push it. Okay. Feel the air kind of start to go in. Now go around and squeeze the tire and make sure the tube is where it needs to be. Go like this, go all the way around. We're getting the front wheel tightened up. Brody's got the 1/2-inch wrench right here. Righty tighty.
Whoa, it's getting tight.
Good job. Okay, we're doing the back wheel. See if we can get to where you can see here. There he is. We're doing the back wheel. Brody's doing righty tighty. Getting it tight, Brody?
Yeah.
All right, get the chain out of the box there.
Hey, Brandi, come here.
Nah, it's not that kind of chain.
Brandi,
It's a bike chain. Yeah, you kind of gotta get it untangled, and then you need to put it around the sprockets
why is it like
from the front to the back. Okay, now, hang on before you get too tight. Let's make sure the wheel is straight. Okay, I think we're good. Go ahead. Yeah, the next thing we're gonna do is install the handle grips. Brody's got the heat gun going. We're gonna warm them up so they're flexible. Careful, you get your fingers there too long, it gets hot, doesn't it?
Yeah.
You're safer on that side of the heat gun than this side. And then we've got grip glue. We're gonna put a little bit of grip glue on them. I'm gonna put a little bit of grip tape on it, or grip glue.
Catch him right there,
Yeah, don't get grip glue in your
Well,
hair.
Daddy, you're gonna put lots of on it. The stick.
Slide down on there. This is the part Brody is most excited about.
Stick.
Okay, where are we gonna put these stickers? He wants to put them on the back fender, he says.
Mhm.
And which way are you gonna turn it? Make it so it looks like the flames are going that way. Whoop, turn it around, turn it around.
This way.
So it's like, yeah, like that. There you go.
Go in, yeah.
Makes it look like you're going fast. There you go. Nice, Brody. Okay, and then work it down with your finger. There you go.
Yeah.
Okay, take your finger and rub it on there. Oh, nice. Okay, folks, here it is. The finished product. He's got rubber handle grips. He's got flame stickers. He's got a new chain, new tires, new paint. He's ready. Let's see it, Brody.
Okay.
Woo-wee! Look at that thing go. He is fast. Brody, I can't even keep up with you with the camera. Oh my goodness. Wow. You're gonna watch out? Look at him go. He's zooming. Should we go show Mommy what you did?